Have you ever captured a lead online and then completely forgotten to follow up with them? Maybe someone filled out a form on your website, booked a call, or downloaded something, but after a few days, their information gets buried in your email or spreadsheet. And just like that, a potential customer disappears. This is one of the biggest problems small businesses, creators, and agencies run into when trying to manage their marketing. Leads come in from different places, but there's no simple system to keep track of them. Some people use spreadsheets. Others try to juggle email inboxes, form notifications, and different tools just to stay organized. And the result is usually the same: missed opportunities and lost sales. This is where a CRM becomes incredibly valuable. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and its job is simple: it helps you organize, track, and manage every lead in one place. Inside GoHighLevel, the CRM is built directly into the platform, which means every lead that enters your system can automatically be tracked. For example, when someone fills out a form on your landing page, their contact information goes straight into your CRM. From there, you can see where that lead is in your sales process. Maybe they're a new lead. Maybe they booked an appointment. Maybe they're ready to become a customer. Instead of digging through emails or spreadsheets, you can visually move leads through different stages using pipelines. This makes it much easier to understand where each potential customer is in your marketing process. But the real power of the GoHighLevel CRM comes when you combine it with automation. Once a lead enters your CRM, you can automatically trigger follow-up messages, reminders, or email sequences. That means your marketing continues working in the background without you manually chasing every lead. For beginners, this is one of the biggest advantages of using GoHighLevel. Instead of managing leads across multiple tools, everything lives in one simple dashboard. Your funnels capture the leads. Your CRM organizes the leads. And your automations follow up with the leads. When everything works together, your marketing becomes much simpler and far more effective. Now, if you're ready to start using GoHighLevel for yourself, click the link in the description to get your free GoHighLevel for Beginners, What Actually Matters First ebook. And also click the link in the description to start a free trial of GoHighLevel.